Welcome back to One to Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Uwm Mortgage account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Uwm Mortgage login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then it will take you to this login page. On this page, you'll have to provide your username and your password. And if you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on this link. Once you're ready, go ahead and enter your username. And if you don't remember your username, you can click on this link to recover it. After that, enter your password. And you can recheck your password by clicking on this icon. And in case if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to recover it. Once you're ready, make sure you have entered your correct credentials. Then click on the sign in button. And once you click on it, you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I will catch you on the next one.